In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a consent form on Qualtrics 2025. First, let's get started by opening your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type Qualtrics to navigate to their homepage. Once you're there, look to the top right corner of the screen where you'll find the Log In option. Go ahead and click on that. You'll need to enter your registered username and password to access your account. Make sure you have these details handy, as they will be essential for logging in. Once you're logged in, go ahead and open the survey you're working on. Here, the first step is to create a new block specifically for your consent information. This step is crucial because you want your participants to see and agree to the consent form before they proceed with answering any other survey questions. In this new block, our next move is to add a new multiple-choice question. This will house your consent statement. Carefully copy and paste your full consent statement into the question text. This is where you'll specify the terms of participation and any relevant legal information. Then, create two options for participants to choose from. Yes, for those who agree, and no, for those who do not agree. Now, to ensure participants don't accidentally skip this important question, you'll need to turn on forced response for the consent question. This setting obligates all respondents to select an option before they can proceed further with the survey. Moving ahead, navigate to the Survey Flow section of Qualtrics. This part allows you to add necessary logic to your consent process, making sure the survey operates smoothly based on participants' consent decisions. Look for your consent block and click on the Add Below button just underneath it. You're going to add a new element here, specifically a branch. Now, set a condition. Choose your consent question and select the No option, corresponding to I do not agree. Click OK after setting the condition. Here's where you finalize the conditional logic. Underneath the Then Branch If element, click to add a new element. You're going to select End of Survey. This addition ensures that participants who choose not to consent will be directed immediately to the end of the survey, and thus not engage with any additional questions. Finally, remember to apply these changes to your survey flow. This step ensures that all the logic and conditions you've set are part of the live survey. By finalizing this setup, you make sure everything runs correctly when participants begin taking your survey. And there you have it. You've successfully added a consent form to your Qualtrics survey, ensuring all legal bases are covered and participants are informed before proceeding.